everyone, welcome back to Alebessi's channel. We know it has been a while since the last time we posted. Just like everyone else, a lot has happened in 2020.
We've moved to a new apartment, traveled to some new places, met some new friends, and found ways to deal with unexpected challenges.
In 2021, we're back and ready to create more valuable content for you guys. We have created a brand new yet more structured format for our videos.
In each episode of Alebessi story, we're going to share with you an interesting experience that we have in our lives, some tips and tricks in how we manage our finances, as well as some recipes that we really enjoy. We hope that each episode of our video will bring you some valuable learnings, as well as some laughters. Welcome to 2021.
Welcome to our new apartment. Please come on in. This has been our new apartment for the past 2 months, and let me show you what it looks like. Here's our shoe section. We have 2 shoe racks on top of each other. And turn around, here's our washer and dryer. And moving up here, we love this section because we can make coffee, boil water to make tea, and then we have a lot of baskets here to keep everything organized, including some snacks, some teas. And we turn around, is our nice kitchen. As you can see, we keep a lot of stuff on the counter. Here's our Dutch oven, air fryer, and KitchenAid that you're probably familiar with from our last video. Moving on here is our dining area. We really love this dining area because, as you know, we didn't have a dining area in our old apartment. So this is the upgrade for us. And this dining table is more than a normal dining table. You can actually pull it out and it becomes a hot pot table. Here is our living room. As you can see, we got rid of our coffee table just because they occupy a lot of space, and we do think it looks a lot cleaner without a coffee table. We love this big window out here. There are not a lot of traffic driving past by here. The Emoji and Coco absolutely love sitting here and people watching and car watching. Now you follow me into our bedroom. We have combined our workstation and bedroom into one because the bedroom is a lot bigger than our last bedroom. As you can see that we didn't really buy an L-shaped desk, but we kind of created an L-shaped workstation. This is Alex's station, and here's my workstation. Moving on here, the layout of the whole room is pretty much similar to our old apartment. We have the makeup station, we have a TV, bookshelf with a big window in the bedroom as well, and we really like that. Moving on to bathroom. The bathroom is actually one of my favorite part of this apartment. It looks very clean, modern, and very chic, especially the shower room. I kind of like the idea of not having a bathtub, but have a standing shower room. Moving on here is our walk-in closet. In the beginning when you look at it, it felt like kind of small, but actually both Alex and I were able to fit both our stuff into this walk-in closet. So it was actually plenty of space for both of us. I really enjoyed it. That's pretty much it. And we really like this place, and we're so fortunate to found this place in the middle of November with a very good price.
This brand new apartment that we absolutely love was supposed to be $150 more expensive per month compared to our previous place. However, due to COVID, they offer a 6-week rent-free plus $2,000 cash concession as incentives, which drives down the 15-month rent around $5,000 lower than our previous place. If you're looking to move anytime soon, make sure you take advantage of any COVID discount if possible.
For this week's Money, we're going to show you some tips and tricks on how to get $250 for free if you have a Chase Sapphire Reserve card. This is the card I'm talking about. I think many people have this card already. It gives you many perks, including TSA, pre-check, lounge access. You get a lot of points for traveling just by spending money. And it reimburses you $300 a year for any travel purchases that you make throughout the whole year. So pretty much you're paying $250 a year for having this card. Now $250 a year is still a lot, especially if you're not traveling. So what I've learned this week is that you can simply give Chase a call and tell them that because of COVID, you are not maximizing the benefit of this card and you would like to know if they have any membership retention program for you. As long as you mention these words, what they will do is offer you a $250 statement credit. So just a simple phone call telling them that you are not maximizing your benefit and you would like to know what retention offer they can give you, they will send you a $250 statement credit. Again, this will basically mean that you will have this card free of charge for the whole year. Here is a screenshot of when I made the phone call, and here is a screenshot of the statement credit coming in just a couple of days later. Really, this is the simplest way to make $250 with just one phone call. Now, I will say that this only works for Chase Sapphire Reserve. It will not work for Chase Sapphire Preferred because the Preferred membership is only $99 a year. So, I hope you enjoyed this week's tips and tricks. A lot of my friends have already done it after I've told them about this, and they've all had lots of success. So give this a try and leave us a comment, and feel free to share with us your tips and tricks for the week, and we'll share it with our viewers as well. Thank you for tuning in. So January is getting cold, so I've been craving some hot soup. So for that, today I'm gonna try to make something called Galbi Tang. It's a Korean dish that uses short ribs, as well as onion, Korean radish, and some aroma to create a really nice flavorful soup that goes well with rice. So quickly going over the ingredients, we have braised short ribs. For aroma, we have garlic and shallots, green onion, and chopped onion for garnish. And for the stock itself, I have half an onion as well as some large chunk Korean radish. When the stew is done, I'm also going to add in some of these finely chopped Korean radish. After seasoning the short ribs with salt and pepper, we're going to give them a good sear on both sides. Next, we're going to add 5 cups of water into the instant pot and add the onions and large chunk of Korean radish. Next, we're going to add the seared short ribs into the instant pot with a tablespoon of soy sauce. Set it to pressure cooking for 40 minutes. After releasing the pressure and opening the lid, this is what you should get. Now we remove the large chunk of onion and Korean radish, and we also skim off the excess oil. Now we add back the chopped onion and Korean radish and let it cook for 10 more minutes. After that, add salt and pepper and season the taste, and you're done. We also added some vermicelli noodle to go along with the soup, and we also made ourselves some omelette and cooked rice, and it was a perfect meal for a winter night. We hope you enjoyed our new format for our recipe videos. We've kept it short and simple to respect our viewers' time. Leave us a comment to let us know what you think, and thank you for tuning in.